Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Gnome Reviews here. Just very briefly, I just want to talk to you guys about the Gbrs Spectre CR-1 Valkyrie cheek riser, specifically this new 500D CORDURA multicam wrap specifically for the Valkyrie cheek riser. This is the 0.75 height. It just feels much better against your cheek than bare plastic. I actually like it so much so that I ordered 2 more for the 0.50 height Valkyries that I have. That way everything's uniform all the way across. I try to keep everything the same across the board. But yeah, Magpul CTR, this is my favorite stock. There's a couple more stocks that this cheek riser is compatible with. I think it's the DT1 and maybe MOE. I can't remember, to be honest with you, off the top of my head. But the Magpul CTR is my favorite stock. I'm running on all 3 of my ARs. Same with this cheek riser. And pretty soon, all 3 will have this CORDURA wrap, 500D adhesive wrap from Gbrs. I am not affiliated with any of these companies, specifically Gbrs Group. I have no affiliation with Gbrs Group whatsoever. I'm just a fan of their products. Got a couple optic mounts here. The Lerna, it's 2.91 height, and the Unity Gbrs collab of the Omni that sits up at 291 as well. So when I need a magnifier, I come up. I got the 3x. Don't need the magnifier, come down. But anyways, this short video specifically about the Valkyrie Spectre CR-1 cheek riser. Highly recommend it. What it does is it adds a 3rd point of contact. So when you come up quick on that rifle and this goes against your cheek, the recoil impulse, it helps having this against you. It just feels a lot more solid when you have that 3rd point of contact. So highly recommend, if you're running a Magpul CTR stock, I highly recommend that you get the Gbrs Valkyrie cheek riser and then the CORDURA wrap for it. But y'all will see more to come. I still have a lot to get for this specific Geisley Super Duty. What will probably end up happening is I'll end up switching from this Huxworks muzzle device and going to something else, possibly hub, I'm not sure, but it's highly unlikely that this stays on there unless I end up getting the Black Magic can. That would be the only way this muzzle device stays is if I get the Black Magic from Huxworks. But regarding suppressors, I'm more focused on 300 Blackout, and Spectre Cat is my favorite suppressor brand right now, so that's where I'm wanting to get my cans from personally. Have no affiliation with any of these companies. Like I said, just a fan of their products. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe. This is the, before I let you guys go, this, if you haven't seen my other videos, this is the Geisley Super Duty Mod 1 11.5 inch SBR. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, share it with your buddies. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Gnome Reviews out.